everyone, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. So today we will be learning about how to use Whiteboard in Zoom app. But before that, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So let's dive into how to use the Whiteboard on Zoom platform. For that, I need to first of all join a meeting. For example, I have this meeting ID and name here. I will join it. So I have already joined here. Now let me join from other mobile or other device as well so that I can show you properly. So see, I have already created a request and admitting here the other user. Now let's share the screen here. So here the whiteboard is coming. Okay, I will connect this whiteboard here, and now you can see on the screen that we have a pen here. I can change this width like this. Now it has become a highlighter or marker, you can say. So from here I can choose many options for the whiteboard. For example, text. If I want to write something, for example, I'm writing here computer, so that also I can do. I can use these things as well. See, I have created an arrow or the circle, rectangle, anything I want. Stamps as well I can use. See, so we have various options here. See, I'm using the stars since the stars are golden in color, so it's showing me that color. Hearts are red in color. Question mark also. See, so these are the various things with which I can annotate the whiteboard or screen. Eraser, I can erase whichever thing I want, and if I want to clear the entire screen, I can do this clear entire. This is how we can use redo. See, redo, after redo I can get whatever I have done. Sorry, undo whatever I have done, I can get it back. Redo means since I cleared the screen, so getting the screen back here. And format, here I can change any color whichever I want. See, these are the width, thickness of the pen I am using, and here also I can change the font. What I was writing here, I wrote computer, for example, I'm writing computer here, or mouse. See, so this I have done, and I can also save it. Okay, now we have further more options from here. This is a whiteboard, you know. Now in the more option we will go and see there are two things. First of all, hide the names of annotators. For example, if I am annotating from some other device, for example, see, I am doing this here. So any other participant who is doing this, you will get the name. Here, if you see, the name has appeared, so you can know who is annotating. Also, I can hide the names of the annotators so that I don't want to see who is annotating. Also, this is very important if we are doing any meeting or several people are working on a project, and whoever wants to annotate, so that we can understand that this person, if the annotator's name is coming here, we can understand who is annotating or doing this work. So if I hide the name of annotator, I won't know who is doing it. Also, if for example I'm taking a class, and if I am doing this work here, for example I'm doing this, let's see, I'm doing this and somebody else starts doing this. See, so in that case, if I want, I can simply go to this more option and disable the annotation for others. Now I have disabled it, and see, I am trying to annotate from the other device, but it's not working. So it won't be any disturbance if I do this, and this would be very useful for this. and I can save this from here. So this is all about how to use the whiteboard on the Zoom platform. Thank you everyone. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. We'll be back with a new topic. Bye bye.